Hi everyone, I'm Swan. So in this video, let's discuss what is an internship and what actually we used to do in an internship. I just thought to create this video. Like the reason behind this is actually currently I'm just doing an internship. So many of my friends they have asked me so what's an internship actually, and what's the work you are doing in an internship. So they just asked me all these questions. So I just thought to create a video so that everyone will clear about this. So actually internships is generally we used to work for an organization, or like we used to work for a company. So whether it may be like a startup or a big MNC, so we used to work for them for a little period of time. So in simple words, if you want to say, that's the internship. So like mostly that short period, in the sense mostly it's between like 1 to 3 months, right? So yeah, that's the internship, right? Like we used to work for some company for a little period of time. So and now let's discuss like what are the advantages of doing an internship. So first one is you will gain an industry level experience. So we as a college student, like we as a student, as a fresher, we don't have much exposure to industry level knowledge, right? We don't know how a real world project works. We don't know how actually how we build a product. Like we don't know how we have to face how to face a problem, in how to face real world problems, right? We don't know much of all those things. We are not aware of all such things, right? So through this internship we can just gain that experience. So that's the first advantage. And the second thing is, like we used to work with the experienced guys, right? So experienced ones, so we can just learn from them. So and we can just able to build our network. So in future it may be useful for some other it may be useful for some other things, right? So we can just able to build our network through internships. So and also it's an added advantage of like, and also it's an it gives, like doing an internship will give an added advantage to your resume, right? It will just create an it will just give a weight to your resume. So generally like most of the students don't have an industry level knowledge. So if you have this internship experience, so the recruiter may, so since you have an experience, so recruiter can prefer you, right, when compared to the other guy. So it will just create an impact on the resume also. And also and the last thing is like if it is a paid internship, you can just earn a little bit, right? You can just earn a passive income, right? So these are the advantages of doing an internship. So actually when compared to all those things, you basically get an overall idea like how a project works, how to do a project, like how they used to develop a project, like if you get an error, like when you're writing a code, what are the standard procedures you have to follow. So these are all the advantages you have by doing an internship, right? So that's a short video on this internship. So I thought like you got some idea like what's an internship and like what are the advantages of doing this internship, right? So that's it for this video. And I also will create a video on like how to apply for internships. Like there are a lot of other websites also, right? So I'll just create a video on like how to apply for internships. So yeah, that's it for this video. So if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching.